Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. For today's video, we will be reviewing the automatic car mount with wireless charger by Vicseed. For full disclosure, Vicseed sent this out to Tech Valor in exchange for my honest opinion, which was just in the nick of time because this is my current car cell phone mount situation. Unboxing. Vicseed package is made from eco-friendly materials and printed with soy ink. My box was a little dented in the corner, but all of the materials were safe inside. As soon as you open the box, you will see the wireless charger car mount, suction mount, and vent clip mount. The mount and the clip easily come out, but the bottom part of the suction mount was encased by the smaller box below. After you open the flap to the smaller box and take out the suction mount, make sure to dig in for the micro USB cable. Lastly, you'll also find a small user manual and a thank you card. Make sure you have the wireless charger car mount, suction cup, vent clip, and micro USB cable. Wireless charger car mount. As soon as I grabbed it, I inadvertently activated the clamps to open. So keep in mind that it does not need to be hooked up to electricity in order for it to be activated. I found that useful because when I get out of my car, I unplug the car charger from the electric socket since it is known to drain the battery. When I get back in my car, I like that the automatic clamp still works so that I can set my phone in place and then proceed to plug in the charger. The body of the wireless car charger mount is made out of a hard plastic. The inside of the clamps, bracket, and sensor zone is made from silicone to provide grip and prevent scratches and damages to your phone. The silicone does pick up some lint and particles in the environment, but that's expected. I like that you can release the clamp by pressing one of the touch switches located on each side. In order to squeeze the clamps together, you need to touch the hidden pressure switch located at the top. It is a physical button and not a sensor. This means that it might not be compatible with phones that have a pop socket, keyring, or other things that create a bulge in the back of the phone. Vent clip. The way my car is designed, I will need to install this with a vent clip, but I'll make sure to show you the mechanics of the suction mount as well. The vent clip is made of plastic and has two tension settings. Roman numeral 2 has a tighter grip than number 1. You'll install it by unscrewing the fixed nut and then fastening the nut into the spherical top. Forcibly push the spherical top into the round hole. You might be afraid that it will break apart, but it won't. Here is what it looks like without the nut. Rotate clockwise to tighten the nut, and then you can adjust the angle before completely tightening it. When I clipped it to the bottom rows of the vent, I noticed that it was too heavy and it pulled the slits down. I then placed it in the higher rows and that did the trick. Suction cup. If you're new to this kind of contraption, it can be intimidating, so I'll break it down. Make sure the surface you will use is clean and dry. The knob at the very top allows you to extend the arm so that you can adjust how far or close you want your phone to be. The knob in the back lets you lift the arm up and down. Be careful with unscrewing it too much because the bolts on the other side can come off and you would not want to be searching for that itty bitty thing in your car. When you are placing the suction pad on your dashboard or windshield, make sure that the arm is all the way on the other side. This will give you access to the suction latch. The suction pad has some sticky glue that does not leave residue and can be repositioned by washing with water and mild soap and then air dried before placing it in a different spot. Once you've positioned it where you want it to be, push down on the latch so that it can create a good seal. Then just move the arm up and down, back and forth before tightening all the knobs. Attaching the wireless charger mount uses the same steps as the vent clip. Unscrew the nut, fasten it over the spherical top, push the bracket hole onto the spherical top, and then screw the nut back on. Testing the charge. The micro USB cable looks like a decent length. I went ahead and measured it so that we can know what we're working with. It came out to be 57 inches, which is 4 feet and 9 inches, which also translates to 1.45 meters. To test how strong it can charge, I used a Samsung fast wireless charging brick. The red indicator light was on for about 3 seconds before shutting off. That means it's powered on. When I placed my Note 9 on the mount, the LED light turned blue to signify it is charging. My phone also states that it is in fast wireless charging mode. Let's see just how strong the charge is. I turned on the app Ampere and it sat between 600 to 700 milliamp. I then tried it with my current favorite case. I had a bit of issue because my case has a bulge on the back, but was able to get it on the mount. The charge also says it's fast wireless charging, but when I turned on the Ampere app, it was low. I think it's because of the distance. I waited a bit and the strength of the charge picked up, so just keep that in mind. Driving with my phone upside down. I'm happy to report that I was still able to connect my aux cord to my phone. My iPhone XR sat on the mount perfectly. And if you have a phone with a bulge on the back, just slightly graze it up to press the hidden pressure switch and then graze it back down. Mr. Catwoman asked me to pick up his glasses, which was the perfect opportunity to test this mount. I had to use the GPS to get there, so I placed my phone normally. I knew how to get back home without the GPS, so I placed my phone upside down to test the grip of the clamps. I swear, y'all get to reap all the benefits of my shenanigans. Surprisingly, it did not fall. Super impressed. My conclusion. So far, I am very happy with the automatic car mount with wireless charger by Vicseed. In the future, I'll give you guys an update to see how it holds up to my day-to-day. Leave your questions about this in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you found this video entertaining or informative, give this video a like, share this video with others who might benefit, and subscribe to Tech Valor for more videos like this in the future. Until then, Catwoman out!